friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I will be cooking Italian sausage in the air fryer. All we need is Italian sausage and cooking spray. So let's take out the air fryer basket, and I will spray the bottom of the basket with a cooking spray so the sausages don't stick. And then simply put the sausages in the air fryer in a single layer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees. And I will set the time to 15 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking process, let's turn the sausages over. So we'll just flip them to the other side so the other side browns as well. And now let's put them back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these amazing Italian sausages, perfectly cooked in the air fryer. So delicious. See how easy it was? Just 15 minutes at the air fryer at 400 degrees and perfectly cooked Italian sausages are ready. How is that for an easy dinner? For a printable recipe, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my cooking channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.